welcome back to Planner Your Way. I have missed you guys. I'm sure that you've been wondering what's going on, why I haven't been posting videos. I've gotten a few comments from some of my subscribers about where'd you go, what's going on. Mom, in my last video, I told you guys that I was taking the test for Intermediate Accounting 2. Unfortunately, I failed that test, and so I had to put everything aside and study for Intermediate Accounting 2, which means no more that was no more videos for a while. And I pretty much put everything on hold except that class. So finally, I have passed it. I took my second attempt at that test and I did end up passing it. So I'm back. I missed you guys, and I have a fun new thing. I went ahead and I got myself one of the planner carts. I picked this up at Michael's on sale. A shout out to my friend Christy. She gave me a coupon that I was able to get this for an extra, I think it was 20% off was the coupon. I don't remember exactly, but I got it on a huge discount. So I picked this up and it has been sitting beside my desk for over a week now, while I waited until I could open it up and share it with you guys, because I wanted to show you how I set it up and everything like that, kind of like unbox it with you guys. So here we go. I've been wanting one of these for a while, and this is what, heavy. Alright, so this is what comes in the box. This is how it comes. It's all kind of compacted together, and everything is wrapped in the plastic to keep it from scratching. So you have to put it together. And so I'm not going to make a whole video where you guys have to watch me slowly do this. I'll fast forward it, but it just comes with the 3 bins, and it looks like pretty self-explanatory instructions. So I'll go ahead and fast forward this part. it. It is all put together. It said on the instruction that each drawer has a 6-pound weight limit. So just keep that in mind when you're stacking planner stuff in the cart. But I want to go ahead and fill this thing up. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna organize it, so I'm just gonna get out all my stuff and start putting it in it. Let's do that. All right, so this is all my planner stuff as of right now. So I wanna see how much stuff I can fit in here and how I can arrange it. Well, I think that's it. What's this? Huh. Little sticky notes. Okay. All right, well, I think that that's it. I'm going to leave it like this for now. I think that I want to get some bins from the Dollar Tree to kind of set up in here, to set the planners upright in so that they would either be like this or like on their side, so that I can get to them a little bit easier. Like these, they're kind of stood up, so it's a little bit easier to kind of flip through them and decide which one I need, like as far as the happy notes. These down here are some happy notes. I have some extra paper inserts down here. These are all of my sticker books, and now that I have them all in this cart, it's like I might have a few too many, so need to use the stickers. So here's all of my sticker books. These are a bunch of just stickers that have kind of fallen out of different books and stuff, or that just came plain little sticker sheets that I put in here. And then these are all, this is my son's planner, and then I have like my faith planner, my classic size planner. This is a notes that I've been using recently, my pens, my on the go planner, a new wellness planner that I was kind of trying out. I haven't really done much with yet. And then my punch and my cutter are up there, easy access. So I do want to get something that all these planners I can stand upright in here so that I'm not having to move the others to get to the ones that are on the bottom. They're more stood upright. So I do want to do that, but this is how it is for now. And it's kind of cool that these little magnetic bookmarks kind of just stick to it. Some of them are kind of falling down, so that might not work totally. Maybe I could open them and they'd stick on there a little bit better. But yeah, that sticks a little bit better. Anyways, so that's my cart setup. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'm so glad that I get to be back with you guys. Look forward to doing Plan With Me soon. So watch for those videos, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.